Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn the Map Sketch tool in a FreeCAD. Map Sketch tool is also known as a redefined sketch tool, and this tool allow you to create a 2D sketch with a selected face or a plane of a 3D object, which means that you can easily redefine sketch from one face to another face, from one datum plane to another datum plane. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can visit this tab for FreeCAD tutorial and this one for the FreeCAD articles. Apart from FreeCAD, I write the journal Mechanical Engineering topic, which you can read in your own language. Here is a language option. Just click on the language, it will be get translated. You can also visit my 3D model library, which I have created for FreeCAD part. It is free to use. All you have to go to my home page and click on this FreeCAD 3D models. And once you click on the tab, you will be directed to my 3D model library. This 3D model library is free to use. All you have to click on the image. You will be directed to the Google Drive, where you will get a FreeCAD part as well as 2D drawing. You can also visit my 2D drawing library. On my home page, you will see here the tab 2D drawings. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the 2D drawings, and here you can use this drawing for your projects, or you can use this drawing to practice the 3D modeling in a FreeCAD. If you like my method of teaching, you can also support me on ko-fi.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow. You can also visit my Ko-fi shop, where I have uploaded small FreeCAD projects which you can buy at very nominal price. So your small donation will help me a lot, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have activated the part design workbench, and I will insert my body, and I will on my origin plane, and we are going to very simple example of a cube to understand the map sketch. So I will select this right plane and click on the sketch, and now I will off the origin plane select the rectangle tool, and here I will use the symmetricity, select this point and the origin one, and select a smart dimension. So here is my unit in an inch, so I will change it. I will directly go here and change to mm. You can also do it by going to the edit and then preferences, and here you can change the unit. So changing the unit is depends upon your current project you are working, but when you change the unit here, it will apply to the FreeCAD. So whenever you load, it will load the default unit, which you will set under edit and then preferences here. Now let's give it 100 mm and select this and made it equal, and click on close. Select the sketch and create a pad and give it 100 mm symmetric to the plane and say okay. So this is the very simple cube, and now I will select one of the face and create a sketch. So here I will simply select a circle and select a smart dimension and give it a 60 mm. Now here you can see that I have created the sketch on this face, and let's assume that you have selected the wrong face and created your sketch. In fact, you want this sketch on this face. So rather than deleting this sketch, you can redefine it. So for this, you have to select the face where you wanted to redefine the sketch. So here I have selected the face. Now go to the sketch and click on the map sketch. So once you click on the map sketch, so you will see the all the sketches. So in my body there are the two sketch and sketch 001. So I wanted to redefine, if I wanted to redefine this sketch on this face. So here I have to select the sketch name which I wanted to redefine. So here my sketch is 001, which is the this one. This one is a 001, and our origin sketch is a sketch. So let's simply redefine it. So if you have created so many sketch, you will get the all of the list here. So here I wanted to redefine sketch 001, and I will say okay. So plain face current suggested, say okay. So now you can see that my sketch is redefined from here to here. So you can see that rather than deleting the sketch, we have a save our time. So this is the very simple sketch, but imagine that you have created a complex sketch on this face, and again creating those type of sketch to the new face from the scratch and applying the constraint, giving the dimension will take lots of the time. So this is the very simple example I have took the to explain you how to use the map sketch in a FreeCAD part design workbench. And I have already defined my sketch, and I can simply add my pad. Now let's understand the typical use cases. So typical use cases is that sketch must be on the orientation with the x, y and z plane. If I on the origin, so our previous sketch and the new sketch reference is in a relation with the x, y and z plane. This feature does not work on a curve face because FreeCAD will not get the right orientation. So if you are creating a surface body or any feature on a part which is in an angle, at that time redefine might be difficult. So this is only applicable for the flat faces and which are in a relation with our datum planes. For example, our previous sketch was a parallel with our YZ plane, and our new redefined sketch in a relation with the XZ plane. So with plane orientations, there is no issue. You can easily redefine it. And now let's understand the important notes. Important notes is that this must be used inside of a part design body. If you have created some another body, for example, I have inserted one more body here, and if I able to redefine onto the new body, that would not be possible. So redefine feature must be inside of a body. As you can see that I have redefined this sketch, so it is inside of my parent body. So this point you must remember. Avoid the non-planar face, which I have already explained, which are in the not in the relation with a datum plane. At that time you might be get an error. So when you are mapping a sketch, so you can also use the attachment offset here. If I wanted to give some distance to the XYZ, we can view it. And if your map sketch is failing, then you have to fix the previous features of your model. So that is the troubleshoot tips if you are facing error with a map sketch tool in a FreeCAD. So I hope you have understood the basic concept of redefine features of a sketch in FreeCAD, and rather than deleting the sketch if you have made a mistake in a model, give one chance to redefine is to new phase. If it is works properly, then it will save your time. How to redefine sketch to the new features. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.